The network is the most complex, misaligned, most mission-critical piece of infrastructure that these businesses have. And when you look at it, it looks like the plumbing in a submarine. It's so confusing you couldn't figure out how things work.
We've taken a unique approach to looking at networks, and we've thought, if the internet were to be designed again today, what would it look like?
The network can't provide security. There is no security in networking, so there's a firewall. The network can't provide load balancing, which is really kind of crazy, so there are load balancers. The network can't even route a third of its traffic from a source to a destination, so there's tunnels. Maybe we could figure out how to actually make the network do what everyone wants it to do.
We accomplish this through using open standards, building on the shoulders of the Linux community as a whole, on a completely software-based solution. And with that enables us to ride the technology curve of innovation that comes along with increases in silicon speed, and really making way for a move and a divorce from the traditional hardware view.
You know, the internet is very vulnerable, and the way networks work is not as robust as people think. And you know, there is a reckoning coming, and we don't know what's going to trigger it, or when, or where. We think if we get our product and our capabilities working well, we suspect people will see it as a viable alternative that's simpler, more reliable, and a pathway to a future where we can network across all these boundaries, end to end, from wherever the client is to wherever the server is. So we have a sort of belief that we are the future, which I would hope more and more people will see.